want to go to a concert with this hair on. Oh, hold on, it's itching. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm doing an updated video on this beautiful highlighted frontal from Ishowbeauty hair. This is my second video on this beautiful wig. I will leave the link to the first video in the description box below if you guys want to see the unboxing and all of that. But yes, this is my second time filming with this hair. This is my third time wearing this wig. It is very, very beautiful. I love it so much. If you guys want to see me reinstall this wig, if you want to see how it looks wet and dry, please continue to watch. Also, thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. You can participate in all my giveaways, question and answers, polls that I have on there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. this is what the hair looks like after it is blow dried. I love it blow dried most. I like it nice and big like this, but I did show you guys what it looks like when it's wet, so you can get 2 points of view on this wig. But again, I love this hair so much. I will have the link to the first video I posted on this hair so you can see everything that it comes with when you receive your package. But yes, you guys, this hair is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. This is definitely a summertime wig, and it's a closure wig, so it's super easy to install. I highly recommend closure wigs for anyone who is like a beginner with installing wigs like myself. Like, I still am a beginner, so I do recommend the closure wigs because all you have to worry about is this part here, and then these sides come already like tucked back, and you can move it forward like that if you like. So then if it like blows in the wind, it's not like, you know, looking cray cray, and it's just easier to install. You don't have to worry about the ear flaps, because on frontals, the ear flaps to me are the hardest to work with. But with the closure, you just focus on here. I got my 2 baby hair swoops there, and you are done. And even if you wanted to put it in like a low ponytail like that, like, it still looks good. But yes, this hair is just so airy and flowy. It's so pretty. And it's so lightweight, and I love these like curls. I believe it's a deep wave, but the link to this wig will be in the description box with all the details in there that you need. If you like a more tamed look, you can put some like mousse in it, and it'll like calm it down. And then as long as you don't touch it while it dries, the curls will be a lot more defined. But I like it kind of like wild like this. It's giving me very much like lioness vibes, like. And you know, Leo season is approaching us. Hello to all my Leos out there that watch my videos. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. I freaking love this hair, you guys. It's so pretty. Again, perfect for the summer. Super easy to install because it is a 4x4 closure. Yes, all the details will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching my video and coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.